HIMARS Destroy Russian self-propelled gun and ammunition truck. In the presented video frames, drone footage shows a group of Russian troops loading ammunition from their KAMAZ 5350 truck to their self-propelled gun, 2S3 Akatsia in the Zaporizhia region. The coordinates from the drone are transferred to Ukrainian HIMARS, which can use precision strike on the Russian troops' positions. They deliver the first strike, and it's a direct hit on the Russian self-propelled gun, but the shrapnel also damages and sets on fire the Russian ammunition truck. The fire also detonates the ammunition inside the Russian truck, which causes a second huge explosion, and it totally destroys the Russian equipment and its crew. This video was published by the Ukrainian forces on their official Telegram channel.